the invisible frontline, securing critical infrastructure against drone threats. The march of technology brings with it a host of challenges, chief among them the rise of unmanned aerial systems, UAS, or drones. These devices, once the preserve of military applications, have found their way into the civilian sphere, posing unprecedented threats to national security and critical infrastructure. Facilities that form the backbone of our society, such as power plants, transportation hubs, and communication networks, find themselves in the crosshairs, necessitating the deployment of advanced defense mechanisms to counter potential disruptions. This new frontline is invisible, constantly evolving, and requires a sophisticated understanding of technology to defend effectively. The menace drones present is not limited to direct attacks. Their capability to conduct surveillance, carry contraband, or even just inadvertently disrupt operations through innocent overflight poses a complex array of threats to critical infrastructures. The case of drones disrupting airport operations has underscored the vulnerability of key infrastructures to seemingly benign activities. It has sparked a race to develop detection and neutralization capabilities that can operate in the gray zones of legality, ethics, and practicality, ensuring the safety and integrity of our critical infrastructures against this pervasive aerial threat. The evolving threatscape, drones in modern warfare. The conflict between Russia and Ukraine has shed light on the transformational role of drones in contemporary conflict. These machines, ranging from off-the-shelf consumer models to highly sophisticated military drones, have been deployed for a variety of purposes, from intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions to direct attacks, and even as decoys to saturate and deceive enemy air defenses. The ability of drones to penetrate well-defended zones has not only proven their strategic value, but also highlighted the urgent need for robust countermeasures to protect secure spaces. This modern warfare paradigm underscores the democratization of drone technology, allowing both state and non-state actors to employ these tools in asymmetric warfare. The effectiveness of drones in the Ukraine conflict has demonstrated their potential to alter the balance of power, making it imperative for nations and organizations to invest in advanced detection and mitigation technologies. These incidents serve as a stark reminder of the importance of staying ahead in the technological arms race, ensuring that defense mechanisms evolve as rapidly as the threats they aim to neutralize. Counteracting the aerial adversary, detection and mitigation mechanisms. Navigating the vast landscape of drone threats requires a diverse array of detection and mitigation technologies. Radar systems, acoustic sensors, and RF detection methods play crucial roles in the early identification of incoming drones, serving as the first line of defense against potential threats. Upon detection, a variety of neutralization techniques can be employed, ranging from RF jamming and directed energy weapons to physical countermeasures like net guns and interceptor drones. These methods must be carefully selected and deployed to match the specific characteristics and intentions of the invading drone. The challenge lies in integrating these technologies into a cohesive defense system capable of protecting sensitive sites from drone threats. This integration involves not only the deployment of hardware, but also the development of algorithms and software capable of discerning between benign and malicious drones. The effectiveness of a counter-drone strategy hinges on the seamless cooperation between detection and neutralization mechanisms, ensuring a rapid and decisive response to any aerial intrusion. The fine line, restrictions on RF jamming and countermeasures. The regulatory landscape surrounding drone countermeasures, particularly RF jamming, is fraught with complexity. While jamming can effectively neutralize a drone threat by disrupting its control signals, the Federal Communications Commission (FCC) tightly controls the use of such devices. This is due to the potential for jamming equipment to interfere with essential communication services, including emergency response systems and commercial telecommunications. The prohibition of jamming by private entities underscores the need for innovative and compliant solutions to the drone threat. The constraints placed on RF jamming and other direct countermeasures necessitate a creative approach to drone defense. Organizations must navigate the intricate web of regulations while developing effective counter-drone strategies. This balancing act involves not only technological innovation, but also a deep understanding of the legal and ethical considerations that govern the use of such technologies. The goal is to craft a counter-drone framework that is both effective and compliant, safeguarding critical infrastructure without compromising public safety or the integrity of communication networks. Navigating the regulatory sky. U.S. government agencies and drone activity. The airspace above the United States is governed by a patchwork of regulations and oversight bodies, chief among them the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, and the Federal Communications Commission, FCC. These agencies play pivotal roles in shaping the landscape of drone usage, balancing the benefits of drone technology against the potential risks to public safety and national security. The FAA, in particular, regulates drone flight within the national airspace, implementing rules that govern both commercial and recreational use to ensure safety and privacy. The regulatory framework is constantly evolving to keep pace with technological advances and the creative ways drones are being used. This includes establishing no-fly zones around critical infrastructure, requiring registration for drones above a certain weight, and developing remote identification standards to track drone flights in real time. For businesses and security professionals, understanding these regulations is essential for compliant drone operation and defense, providing a foundation upon which to build effective security protocols and counter-drone measures. Fortifying the front. Best practices for businesses and infrastructure. Protecting critical infrastructure from drone threats requires a comprehensive approach that extends beyond technological solutions. Regular threat assessments are vital to understanding the evolving landscape of aerial threats, enabling organizations to tailor their defense strategies to specific vulnerabilities. Investment in cutting-edge detection and mitigation technologies must be accompanied by training and awareness programs for staff, ensuring that everyone within the organization is equipped to recognize and respond to drone intrusions. Collaboration plays a crucial role in fortifying defenses against drones. By fostering partnerships with local and federal authorities, businesses can gain access to a wealth of intelligence and resources, enhancing their situational awareness and response capabilities. Sharing information and best practices within industry networks can also contribute to a collective defense posture, raising the bar for drone security across sectors. A call to arms. As the use of drones continues to expand, the imperative to develop sophisticated detection and neutralization strategies has never been more pressing. The lessons learned from international conflicts and advancements in counter-drone technology offer valuable insights into defending our critical infrastructure. By remaining vigilant and proactive, businesses and security professionals can navigate the complexities of the modern airspace, ensuring the safety and continuity of our society in the face of aerial threats. The call to arms is clear. We must adapt, innovate, and collaborate to protect the assets that underpin our way of life.